Welcome to JH. Pups Furry Dog Brush claims to make grooming your pet a total breeze by deleting tangles without the drama. They even promise fewer baths and dogs that actually enjoy the process. Because we all know how much dogs love being poked with plastic. It's basically their version of a 5-star spa day, right? But before you throw your money at them, let's look under the hood. First off, the product images on their website are a massive red flag. They look like they were borrowed from the deepest corners of the internet rather than featuring the actual brush they're selling. Nothing says trustworthy brand, like a gallery of stock photos you could find on a 2012 blog post. It really makes you wonder if the product even looks like the pictures. Then there are the catchy slogans like, "No more painful tangles," and "Dogs love our brush." It sounds lovely, but there's zero proof, no testing, and absolutely no evidence to back it up. They're basically asking you to take their word for it, which is a bold strategy for a company that seemingly can't afford a photographer. Can you really trust a promise that has the scientific backing of a fortune cookie? Customer support is another joke. You get an email address and a prayer, no phone number, no live chat, nothing. If you run into a problem and need help quickly, I hope you enjoy refreshing your inbox while your dog remains a matted mess. Then there's the lifetime guarantee, which sounds amazing until you realize this is an electronic brush. Offering a lifetime warranty on cheap electronics is like promising a toddler will never grow out of their shoes. It's a nice thought, but it's mathematically impossible. Finally, they brag about having over 50,000 happy customers. Curiously, those 50,000 people seem to be invisible everywhere except for a few testimonials on their own site. We couldn't find a single review on any external platform. Maybe all those happy customers are just too busy grooming their dogs to use the internet? So, is the Pups Furry Dog Brush legit? Between the stock images, unverified claims, and the ghost town review section, there are more red flags here than at a professional bullfight. The brush might physically exist, but the lack of transparency makes it hard to trust the brand. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates that actually tell it like it is.